Are you looking for a business credit card that won't run a credit check and doesn't require a personal guarantee? Well, those types of cards can be tough to find. However, the Ramp Business Credit Card is a card that does play in this space and actually does it pretty well. Another nice benefit of this card is that it does not require a security deposit, so it's not a secured credit card. So, what exactly are the requirements needed to be considered for a Ramp Business Card? Well, let's get into it. As a quick reminder, when you apply for a business credit card, a personal guarantee will almost always be required. This means that your own personal credit will factor into the decision, and if anything goes wrong, it will probably negatively affect your personal credit. And that's where the Ramp Business Card comes in. Once again, this card does not require a personal guarantee. Also, Ramp does not ask for a personal credit check or a security deposit. Now keep in mind that if Ramp is approving people with bad credit and they're not holding a security deposit, then they must be mitigating their risk in some other way. So what does Ramp do? Well, according to Ramp's website, here's some key information about the Ramp Business Card. The first key point is that your business must be a corporation, LLC, or limited partnership. Ramp will not accept any businesses that are formed as a sole proprietorship or any unregistered business. An EIN number is also required. Second key point is that your business must have at least $75,000 in cash in any U.S. business bank account, which will be linked to your application. So, Ramp factors in cash reserves and banking information into the approval process. This will include your business revenue and cash flow. It's also possible that your credit line could fluctuate based on this information. Another thing that Ramp will require is a business email address on a company domain. For example, email@herobanker.com. There's also some additional requirements which can be seen on the screen. Overall, it appears that the Ramp Business Card is probably best for a growing or already mature business. But if you're able to meet the requirements and want to avoid a personal guarantee, then Ramp is a great fit. However, keep in mind that the $75,000 balance requirement might be tough for a lot of businesses to meet. If you are interested in the Ramp Business Card and you're able to qualify, then this card provides many benefits. First, this card does pay a flat 1.5% cash back on every purchase. The cash back can be redeemed as a statement credit. The Ramp Business Card has no annual fee and charges no foreign transaction fee. Ramp appears to be more of an ecosystem built around simplifying business payments and expenses. Therefore, it also comes with additional products and services to help with these processes. Really, this type of business card is probably best for a larger business with several employees who all use their own business credit card. But as long as you're able to meet the requirements listed above, it does appear that anyone can apply. One final note is that the Ramp Business Card is technically a charge card and not a credit card. This means that the balance must be paid in full every month. So you're not able to carry a balance from month to month. There does appear to be some options to extend the terms to 60 or 90 days if your business model fits that mold. For example, if your business has accounts receivable that have 90 days to be paid, then the 90-day option might work for you. One of the benefits of a charge card is that it does not charge interest, since the balance must be paid in full based on your specified terms. Alright, so that wraps up our conversation about the Ramp Business Card. We hope the information was helpful and easy to understand. We'd love to hear feedback from anyone who currently has the Ramp Business Card or has applied for it in the past. How's your experience with it? We'd also love to hear from anyone who's looking for a card with no credit check or no personal guarantee. Do you feel like the Ramp Business Card might work for you? Or is the $75,000 balance requirement a bit too high? If there's any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. While you're there, we would greatly appreciate a like and subscribe. If you really enjoyed this video, there's also the option for a super thanks in the comments. This provides us with some further support to help us keep producing great Hero Banker content. Thank you for taking time out of your day so that we can help you become your own financial hero. We hope to see you again soon. Be sure to follow Hero Banker on social media for updates on banking, finance, the economy, and more. If you'd like to see more content like this, we would greatly appreciate a like and subscribe. Thank you.